In the name of Allah, the most merciful and the most beneficent. Hello everyone, welcome to Mathematics Basic to Advanced Level. In this lecture, I will solve AJK PSC 2017 MCQ, that is, let C absolute of z minus 2 is equal to 5, then closed integral z power 4 plus 4z into e power z cos square z dz is equal to solution. Cauchy-Gaussian theorem. Suppose that a function f is analytic in a simple collective domain D. Then for every simple closed contour C in domain in closed integral f of z dz is equal to 0. Since z power 4 plus 4z e power z cos square z is analytic everywhere on and inside the circle C, it follows from Cauchy-Gaussian theorem, that is, closed integral z power 4 plus 4z e power z cos square z dz is equal to 0. So option B is correct. If you like my lecture, then please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for latest update on my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching my YouTube lecture. Okay, Allah Hafiz.